What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Young J, man. You see we back with another video, man. If you're new, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If you haven't already, let's get to the video. But today, bro, I ain't gonna lie, I know y'all asked, well, it was a certain subscriber, he asked for me to show y'all like my Starlight setup. So I'm gonna just show y'all like every light that I got on this thing, bro. Cause I ain't gonna lie, this bit is heavily modified. It's straight mods, no engine and all that type mods, just exterior mods and interior mods, stuff like that. But I'm gonna show y'all right now. As you can see, the tent got the cheese, but you can still kind of see. So this is my Starlight setup that I got in here. In the back, bro, I got my clothes from my clothing brand and whatnot. But I actually got it spelled out in this bit. Jeep. I did all this myself too, bro. Go all the way to the back. And it's all even on top of here, up here. And also, I think I made a video on this, but I did the ambient lights all in the door. Let me show you. Put the ambient lights all up through here, all up through the passenger. Yeah, it's all up through here. I ain't gonna lie to you. But this is the full Starlight setup, and I do got a controller for it. Let me grab a controller real quick. This is the controller for it. I'm gonna put the link in the description to where I got the Starlights. So if I wanted it blue, change it blue. If I wanted red, change it red, orange. They got a lot of colors, bro. And then they got like, as you can see on the controller, they got like different settings. It could change to the music. It could just flash if I wanted to. It's gonna flash off, flash on. My favorite one though, it's not focusing like that, but my favorite one is Fade 7 right here. When you put on Fade 7, it just kind of cycle through all the colors. And it's like my favorite one to put it on because you could just chill and really be laid back, vibing, doing whatever you want to with this setting on, bro. So I really like this one the most. And you could kind of, even from the outside, you can kind of see it. If you like, you gotta be pretty low to kind of see it. But as y'all know, I got the lights under too as well. I got them on both sides. I don't got nothing in the back though, but I just got some in the front. In the front, I got the lights on them in the grill. My lights at the bottom, I don't know why they gave out on you, boy, but it's still kind of lit up down there. I just had to make this a little brighter, and you can kind of still see it down there. But it ain't the best kind of to see, and it is kind of bright where I'm at the area. So that's the only thing making it a little lighter. But you can see on the sides too, I got the lights. You already know I got the line stars. My go cop some merch, man. Go look into it. Go follow my IG. I got my clothing brand linked to it. So if y'all want to tap in, show some support. I appreciate each and every one of y'all, bro. But I wrapped this too myself. I did this myself. If y'all want the link, and y'all, I should have did a tutorial on it, bro. But I'll put the link in the description to where I got this from. And y'all would not believe the price that I got that for, bro. The dude, he was trying to charge me like almost, I believe like 500, like 500 for one side. And I was like, nah, that's ridiculous, bro. Just for this for my little logo is crazy. So I wound up getting both sides, bro, for $40, bro. 40. I had to cut it out or whatnot. But I got both sides for $40, bro. So if y'all want know where I got my stickers and stuff from, it's really like a wrap that you could put it on any vehicle. I'm gonna put the link in the description. Well, I ain't gonna put it in the description, but just comment it down below, and I can put the link in the description. And I can just make another video on it. Y'all let me know what y'all want, man. I'll show y'all. But I'm gonna just show y'all a little bit more of the stars or whatnot, so y'all kind of get an idea. In the back. See, it go all the way to the back too. I ain't want them inside the actual hard part. I could have put a lot more stars in here if I wanted to, but really I feel like it's enough already. It's just a nice, I don't know, son. It's a lot of stars. I think it's like 450, bro, that I put in here. And this is a Jeep Grand Cherokee. So I ain't gonna lie, to me, bro, that's a lot. That's a lot of stars, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. And on the inside, main thing I like, bro, like it's kind of hard to see. I might gotta get in. But you can see how the ambient lights Like, it go all the way up through the side. Like, I even popped this off and just cut it inside of there. And I had to it's like, I'm gonna put the link to where I got this too, bro, so y'all can kind of get it. But this is a whole separate piece. It come with like, I believe like 4 different pieces or whatnot. But when you close the door, you see how it kind of connect. That's like the main thing. I'm gonna cut the AC off. But how it connect even right here. Then it go all inside the door connecting. And this is on the passenger side. This is what I really like about it, bro. To me, that be really fire. And even when you open it, it still connect. I like how it all really come together, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. But if you new, just make sure you like, comment, subscribe, man. Tap in for real, for real. This be fire. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. Popping up bike, boy. But if y'all wanna know where I got it from, bro, I'm gonna definitely put the link in the description. I would pop this off so y'all can kind of see. Let me see. Let me just pop it off, y'all. Pop it off. Well, you can kind of see in there. I stopped it literally right there. It don't really go too far. But I'm gonna definitely put the link for y'all. And in here too, as you can see, bro, I got it going all the way around this. This is a whole separate piece. But it start over here. It start on this side. It's a whole separate piece. I'm gonna have to go on the driver's side to really show y'all. Let me see, man. I ain't gonna lie, this bill was a whole little process, bro. It took some time to get like this, bro. Ain't really, I'm telling you, I would mind this thing for the longest, bro. For real, for real. But as you can see right here, it's a whole nother piece actually right here that go all the way around. I did that myself. And I got another piece going. Well, this is all one piece. This piece started inside like around the steering wheel, and it went all the way around. All the way around the whole menu, what they call this? This like the main screen or whatnot. It go all the way around the main screen. It come under here. And sometimes it be kind of getting in the way. But if I close it, as you can see, if I close it, it's going to pop out to where you can really see it. So I like that as well. But if I open it, that's the only way it kind of hide. But I got this too added on here. And then it's a whole nother piece that connect from the side of it. And this is a piece that actually go into, man, it's a lot of different pieces, but I'm gonna just put the link in the description though, bro. And then I got another piece on the driver's side though, going to the, all the way, almost to the back of the driver's side though, the front driver's side though. But I ain't gonna lie, so it took me probably like, this part was really easy. I ain't gonna lie, it ain't even take too long, bro. I say it took me almost like 30 minutes to an hour to set this up, bro. And main thing I was thinking about for my back seats, cause I don't have the ambient lights and the door trim on my back seats. But I ain't gonna lie, I'm really thinking about getting that next. But to me, it's not like no major thing, cause I don't really be having too many people in my back seat like that. You see what I'm saying? Like, I don't got kids or nothing like that, so I ain't really worried about that right now. If we really being honest, bro, I'm not really worrying about that right now. But I just wanted to show y'all boys and give y'all like a tour of everything, all the lights. But if y'all got any questions, bro, let me know. Link in the description. I'm going to put the links to almost everything that y'all want to see, bro. That's going to be in the description, bro. He just wanted to be nosy, bro, as usual. Oh, he got one cup. This one come so close for no reason, bro. You see this, man? Like, where are you going, bro? He would just be lost sometimes. I ain't going to lie to you, bro. But that's why in my city, you already know you gotta stay safe, bro. You gotta make sure you watch your surroundings, peep gaming all the time. Like, what is bro doing? So you came all the way back here to go all the way up there. It's crazy, you feel me? But it's good though. I understand how it be. When you see something nice, you kind of want to get close to it. You feel me? But I ain't gonna lie, bro. If y'all got any questions, you feel me? Just let me know. Put it in the comment section. You know I'm gonna get back with y'all, man. It's your boy Young J. I love y'all, man. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, gang. We out, brother.